Time is the echo of an axe within the wood. Do not play with times. You have a talent, start it. Ladies and gentlemen, morning, afternoon, evening, depending on where you're located. This is Teacher Prince, the MVP, Prince of East Africa. Yes, I am your teacher. I am here on HOMEWOOD TV, just as we promised to make you happy with different programs, that today I came with a new face. I'm just coming to talk to you. I'm going to talk to you about something very important. Yes, we're going to talk about some kind of expose so that you understand that you're getting late. We're going to talk about this topic. This is your right time. This is your right time. Right time of doing what? We're going to learn more. We're going to learn about 3 points. 3 points we're going to learn. The first point is, how will I know or notice that I am getting late? Yes. The second point we're going to learn about when am I to notice that this is my time and that I'm getting late. Yes. And the third point we're going to talk about, what will it be a help to notice that you're getting late. So I urge you guys, take a note. Someone could write down, because this is very important, because I need you to think about what you're doing today to notice that you're getting late. Yes. So think about those words, expressions. Think about these expressions like I will, I guess, I think, I will see if, I'm planning for, I wish, maybe, etc. Those are words that shows how much ready you are or we are for something. Or let's talk about our future life. Yes. Always the way you react on something is that shows how much care you are for your future life. Yes. You find a lot of people always facing procrastination, like postponing programs, changing programs. So you really need to change your life. This is your real right time to change your life. Not only your life, but you change your life to change your community too. Your community. This is what I'm talking about. So say this. You need to put in this your mind. This is your duty, your responsibility. So let's come to the first point. What will I know? How will I know or notice that this is my right time? That this is your right time. Guy, you're getting late. I can tell you this. You are getting late. So get to know who you are first. Who are you? You know yourself. Where you're heading. Where you're at. What you're at. Plan for your future. This is what I'm talking about. Get to know how the world it is. Yeah, this is something we really want to know. So get to know who you are. As I told you, think about your parents. You need to think about your parents. This is what I want everybody to think about. Because your parents, I mean your mom and dad, maybe somebody is maybe you have a tutor or somebody else. Somebody can call a mom or dad. He is or she is your parent. She's your parent. So think about your parents. They just prepare your life. Yes. They hate and still they have a mission to see you living a happily life. Take this. Your soul have been taken care closely by your parents. They brought you up in good and safe environment. You are educated. As kids, you were supposed to be given food, clothing, to be carried, to be loved and to be accepted. You educated. Today you are enjoying a diploma, a bachelor degree, masters, PhDs, or maybe waiting for this very soon. Get this. You owe them something. You owe them life. Don't betray them. Do not allow to be cursed by them. Get this. I told you this. You owe them something. So just fight to receive a blessing from your parents. And this is your real right time to do something. Your right time to pay the debt. You owe them something. You owe them time. You owe your parents life. The question is this. When are you to pay the debt? When are you to react or to do something? It's just now. So when I say now, what does it mean? It means do not postpone. Do not procrastinate. Do not say I will, because remember you get a debt. So you work to pay the debt. So we need to be a better vision to for our parents. So first you need to value existence, because your existence is valuable. Yes, you are for some purpose. You are for some reasons, and this is your real right time. This is your season to do something. Remember, there is no extra time. Do not ever accept to lose even a single time. Grab this opportunity. You need to live as if today is your last day. So, what are you going to do now? Learn from others. Get your mental. Be inspired by the success of others. Examine all those people you call friends. Examine all those people you call best friends. All those people that surround you. All those people you sit with, if they really fit you. If you just find you are not getting anything from them, my friend, automatically quit them. Those are not friends. Those are dream killers. Because if you really want to meet your goals, the first thing you need to do what? Examine your surroundings. All those people you hang around with. Yes. Maybe if you come back, the question is this. What will it be a help? This is the question sometimes we ask ourselves. And we will want to know. Yes. First, you need to update your mind. Update your mind. Remove all the fixed mindset and try a growth mindset. I mean, do not avoid criticism. People that will critique you, yes, but do not avoid those criticism, because remember this. Those people who critics will be critiquing you is those who will later find you. That's the free, you're getting a promotion freely. Yes. So you need to do what? You need to have a dream, clear visions, so to meet your goals. But get this, your community count on you. Your parents count on you. You are the key for your community to be changed. Yes, to be transformed. So bring clear objectives. Do not give up. Don't give up. Say, I'm trying my best. I'm doing all my utmost. So you need to push much effort to meet your goals. Do not ever try to be somebody else. Try to be yourself. Try to be you. Remember, you get a debt. You have a debt. You owe something. Remember your parents. And this is your time to pay the debt. But remember, there is something that I've learned in my life that I have understood. That you too have to understand. Time is the echo of an axe within a wood. There is no extra time. And this is your real time. So if you have vision, work on it. If you have a dream, try hard to meet your goals. Because tomorrow or after tomorrow, you don't know what the future holds to you. It means that you ought to plan the future today. Stand up and work. Work to pay the debt. And this will really help you. I think you remember all those questions, 3 questions. How will I know or notice that I'm getting late? Remember the debt. When are you going to pay the debt? Just now. What will it be a help? First, your existence. Value existence. See all those people you hang around with. If you have 20 friends to share a beer, but no one to share the same journey to success, guy, automatically see these people are not on your level, they don't fit you. Quit them. If you get this, I understand, you will see exactly how happily life you'll be living in your future. I think you understood. Yes. So my friends, ladies and gentlemen, my friends, my better friends, I know you're listening to me, you're following this course. I need to tell you something. You get a talent, you have a talent. Are you a singer, designer, or doing something, whatever you do as a talent, leave it. You are the ambassador of your country. Your community, your country count on you. Remember, it's been said, great leaders empower the next generation. So you are to empower the next generation, generations to come. Think about them. They will need to learn from you. They will need to learn from what you have been doing last years. You understand? This is a real right time. I was talking about a debt. So what your parent did for you, you are going to do it for other people. Not other people. First, your community. So today, you need to shine. This is your time to shine. Show the people that you are a golden star. You need to change your community. First, you need to change your mind. So to change your community, do not fix your mind in the past. Fix your mind in the present. Leave your present. This is you. The past, that was not you. You understand? You are the present. You understand? And this will help you to see and project forward to see what you're going to leave. Do not be the uniform. When I say uniform, we know in school, at school, we dress uniform so to be what? So to be uniform. You find a lot of youth are uniforms. So we don't want to be uniform. Be yourself. I am Teacher Prince and I will be me. You need to be you. So to pay the debt, this is very important. And if you think about your life, if you think about your parents, think about next generations to come, you will live a happily life. Say, I've empowered other people as you've been empowered, inspired with other people, guys. This is your moment. This is your season. This is your time to be read in books, to be quoted, to be watching TV, to inspire others, to be a mentor of other people. When exactly? When? I told you, time is the echo of an axe within the wood. Do not play with times. You have a talent, start it. You have some kind of vision, work hard to meet them. I know you're gonna live it. You're the next leader of your country. I'm inspired by somebody else. You are inspired by somebody else. And other people need to be inspired by you. Because always a star shines. Not only for only one person, for the whole country. Your star, your talent needs to shine all to hold the people. They need to learn from you. That's it. And you'll be living a happy life because of what you've already paid the debt. So the key you have, that key that can help your community to be changed, use it. What is the key? Your talent. Your talent is the key to your community, to be changed, and to pay the debt to your parents. Thank you so much. This was Teacher Prince, yes, in HOMEWOOD TV. If you need to learn more about Teacher Prince, go do subscribe on our channel HOMEWOOD TV, and do comment, like, and share to our friends. Thank you so much. See you later. Thank you.